Okay. Have you been working on your gimbal, trying to get this silly little quick release to, actually tighten up? Okay. If you haven't had problems like I have, God bless you. If you're still fighting it, stay tuned. Well, that was quick. Okay, so basically, yeah, Zhiyun Lab 3, whatever. Tiny screw. Let me get a pointer here. Okay, so here we go. Alright, tiny screw, tiny spring. And that's exactly what they do. They fly away. So don't lose them. But anyway, once you're under there, you can use the bottom of this right here like a wrench. You bring it all the way down, and then you can literally tighten this little nut right here, right? Just by doing this. Just literally lift it up, twist it a few bits, make sure that this is snug the way you want it. And then once you've got that, now don't over tighten it because you won't be able to actually close this. So it's still got to have room to actually seal. But once that's done, spring, screw, tighten it back down. Bob's your uncle. Champagne won't fall from the heavens. Red carpets will roll, and velvet gates will part. So hope that helps. If it did, smash the like. If it didn't, well, I'm sorry.